In this video, we'll walk through how to find RFQs that were posted within the last 7 days using dynamic date filters in Loocey. Dynamic date filters allow you to automatically filter RFQs based on the current date, so you don't have to manually update your filters every day. To begin, go to the DLA RFQs table. Once you're in the table, click on the Filters option to add a new filter. In the filter settings, select Posted Date as the column. Next, choose the condition Days greater than today. Then, enter -8 as the value. This simply means go back to 8 days and everything after, hence making it 7 days. Click Apply and this filter will now return all RFQs that were posted within the last 7 days. The system is comparing the posted date to today's date and showing records that fall within the last 7-day range. And then let's click on Save As and name this view as Posted Last 7 Days. The system will create a new view, save the filters we configured earlier. Saved views will show up as tabs at the top so you can always go back to them. And since we used a dynamic date filter, the system will always use the current date for filtering. That means you don't need to adjust the filter manually each day. It will always show the most recent RFQs based on today's date that were posted within the last 7 days. This is especially useful when you want to continuously monitor new opportunities without having to reconfigure your filters. That's it for today. Be sure to subscribe to our channel to be notified when we release new tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you next time.